Hi everybody, well, the month of May, the tail end of our snow season here right along the I-25 Front Range area. We can get snow anywhere from September to really the 1st of June, but I only remember once on the 1st of June getting a skiff of snow in over 3 decades of forecasting here. So let's look back at our snow season. First of all, nothing in September, very little in October, November, and almost through December until the last couple of days of December. Then we got some really good snow and then back to nothing again. So for the season, it looks like we'll finish with 47.1 inches, which will be about 8 inches below average. Now, snowpacks melting out sooner as climate changes and the world gets warmer, and we're seeing that with this peak of our snowpack. It used to be late April, right around the first part of May, and now it's about 3 to 4 weeks earlier. So we're seeing that much faster because of warming in the spring, and that's a concern for our water supplies. But let's talk about May and the extremes in the Denver area. It really does transition from what can still be a winter month, because we do get snows in the month of May, sometimes several inches, to our first severe weather with large hail damaging winds and tornadoes. So May can still have snow, but it often brings severe storms, hail, and tornadoes. You got to be ready for a wild ride because we get some of our big severe weather starting especially in the second half of May. The biggest snowfall in the month of May was way back in 1898, 15.5 inches of snow. The average snowfall for the month is 1.5. The heaviest rain for the month was 8.57 inches, and I put an asterisk on that because in 1876, that's the most rain we've ever had in any single month in the Denver area. 2.16 is the average precipitation. Hottest, May 26, 1942, 95 degrees. May 2nd, 2013, 19 degrees. The averages for the highs start at 65 on the 1st, get up to 78 by the 31st. The average lows, 38 on the 1st to 49 on the 31st. But the old adage is, don't plant your garden before Mother's Day, because our average date for that last freeze is still about the 10th to 12th of May. So May thunderstorms, we begin to get some big ones here. They increase in intensity throughout the month. The biggest threats become lightning and tornadoes and large hail. Heavy rain actually comes in as a bigger threat by the mid to late summer. So we can start to get those mean thunderstorms, and you got to be really careful. Remember some of your flash flood tips. Never drive through an area with an unknown depth of water, because even 6 inches of water can knock a person off its feet. A foot of water can knock a car off, and 18 inches can take a pretty good sized truck. And if you're hiking, get to higher ground immediately in our canyons off to the west. Remember, lightning is a huge hazard in the summertime. It's our biggest weather threat in Colorado. If you can hear the thunder, that lightning is close enough that you are at risk. Now, this year, a La Nina has been consistently hanging on. That's cooler than average temperatures out in the equatorial Pacific. It tends to drive the jet stream more from the northwest. That's what we've been having all spring. That's why it's been so windy. And that northwesterly flow favors the northern mountains with precipitation, brings more wind on the plains, and we apparently going to see that pattern linger on into the upcoming late spring and early summer. Our drought monitor continues to show moderate to extreme drought across the west, adequate moisture across the eastern part of the country, and we're not in great shape in Colorado. That snow melt's going out quicker, and the extended outlook is not favorable for the month of May or into much of the summer season. So I think we're going to have a lot of fire weather concerns coming up, not only in this month, but for much of the summer. We have the wind, we have the dry conditions, and we'll have the hotter than average temperatures. And we've been seeing that with climate change, with global warming, due to the increase in carbon dioxide from the burning of fossil fuels. We're seeing more big fires as the years trend, and we're seeing a change in fire weather days, which would be those hot, dry, windy days, an increase in that for Colorado and most of the West. Speaking of the outlook, this is the current 30-day forecast. Warmer than average. The colder than average weather continues off to the north and east of us, and unfortunately drier than average conditions expected as well. And not much better news for the summer seasonal outlook. Warmer than average here, and really no place in the United States colder than average. And it looks like the drier than average conditions are going to continue here, with some wetter than average where they don't really need it in the Ohio Valley and heading off to the east. Have a good month of May. Stay safe out there and stay tuned to Denver 7 when severe weather threatens. I'm Mike Nelson.